Best cooker. Number 5. Butterfly Cordial non-induction based aluminum pressure cooker with outer lid, 3 liter. Approx price 881 rupees. Ergonomically designed food grade virgin aluminum. Specially formulated food grade rubber with longer life. Suitable for induction stove and LPG stove. Warranty 2 years on product. Number 4. Prestige Swachh Deluxe Alpha 5.5 liter stainless steel outer lid pressure cooker. Approx price 2713 rupees. Unique deep lid, unique alpha base, unique pressure indicator, durable handles, shape straight wall, controlled gasket release system. Number 3. Pigeon hard anodized aluminum pressure cooker outer lid with induction base, 3 liter. Approx price 1199 rupees. Made from high grade virgin aluminum. Ergonomic user friendly handle. Toxin and stain resistant. Sturdy hard anodized body. Number 2. Prestige Swachh Deluxe Alpha 3.0 liter stainless steel outer lid pressure cooker. Approx price 2280 rupees. Unique deep lid, unique alpha base, unique pressure indicator, durable handles, controlled gasket release system. Number 1. Hawkins Contura Black Inner Lid Pressure Cooker, 4 liter. Approx price 2338 rupees. Ideal for cooking for 4 to 6 persons. New improved pressure regulator. Base flat diameter 130 mm. Base thickness 3.25 mm. Pressure locked safety lid. Hard anodized body. Thermal efficient. Non-toxic. Non-staining. Warranty 5 years on product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.